look, I have to bend down. Hello.
Hello.
I look like I'm looking up. You're gonna see Graham in the background. Hi.
Hi guys.
We're doing another baking video today, guys. Where is it? Here it is. These are Graham's cakes.
Parma cupcakes.
Got them out of Aldi. Presuming it comes with the icing, because I can't make purple icing. So the camera angle's a bit weird because I want to be able to see the actual cupcake mix. Don't mind that bowl. I'm doing more cupcakes later. I'm doing plain cupcakes for the rest of the family. Aw, so used to have them because these are Graham's. So yeah. So we have the oven preheated, don't we? The oven is preheated. Oh, you only get 6 cakes in this, Graham.
Let me just see if I can back it a little.
Yeah, because I'm like, hello, bending down.
Just backing a little, guys. There we go. Is that too weird to have the
Press in the way.
press?
That's better.
There we go.
I was gonna grab some scissors. That's what I was gonna grab.
Okay.
Paul's all excited. So, oh, we don't have this. Oh no, we do have the sweets to decorate it with.
Hey.
We've got 2 packets of the sweets. Okay, so for this I need. Oh, this involves butter as well. Oh, okay. That's interesting. I don't normally have to add butter. So which is which? Is this the icing? Oh, this is the cupcake mix. And that's the icing. Why'd you get a bigger bag for the icing than you did for cupcake mix? Kyle, can you get me milk out of the fridge? Go for the one on the end. Yeah, 'cause that's mine.
Okay.
That's mine and Graham's milk.
Right, we're gonna have to get more.
I know.
Yeah.
We're nearly all out of milk. Right, what else do we need? Okay, the butter is a little bit hard, but we can deal with that.
I'm gonna get the cotton balls there.
I am. I'm just making sure I have everything.
Yeah.
Should have done that before the video.
I know. Did you say that's a medium egg?
I said, yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Right. Carl, you're gonna have to chop up this butter for me. Where's my knife from?
Chop the butter.
Chop the butter up, Cal.
Butter chop up.
Because I need you to weigh out 30 grams for me.
30 grams.
Yes. Over here. Get 30 grams.
So, guys, Sarah's getting called to cut up butter. They need
30 grams of butter. This mix, I don't normally, for some reason it has that you have to use butter in it. I don't normally have to use butter.
How am I supposed to cut it?
With the knife.
Yeah, I know.
This
Oh.
way. This way. Well, I look for a yolk that weighs out. Why are these not in mils?
It's gone 30.
Yeah, so.
Ah, that'd be grand.
You sure? Cut a little tiny square now.
And you can try to cut a square if you want.
Go. Go.
You really don't need a lot of milk. I'm looking for a measuring yolk that weighs out. Okay, this is 5 milliliters. So I have to put 4 of these in. So that is the cake mix. Not a lot, but I'm just going to crack the egg in while they're measuring out the butter. Where is the compost? Is the alright there, the butter?
What?
It's an electric one, it's going to glitch. Right, so now I'm just adding 30.
What?
30.
It's on 39.
I said 30. They're giving me more butter than I need, guys. Should have listened to the child.
Which one?
Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah, the recipe I'll be making later for the plain cupcakes will be from Grandma's favourite recipes, I think it's called. Yeah, Grandma's best recipes is where I'm getting my cupcake mix from. I mean, I don't have an actual cupcake mix, so I'm having to use a Victoria sponge mix because it's the best I can do. Because apparently, this one doesn't have. Oh, there it is. Butterfly cakes. Found one, and it was marked. I know I had one marked. Are you nearly done with the butter?
No. Yeah, no. Yeah.
What is it on?
28 and then it goes 30 and then it goes to 29. 30.
It'll do. It'll do. Don't worry. What did I do to teach you? Right, I'm gonna get this started, Colin, and then you can finish mixing it.
Right, so guys, we're gonna just pause it.
Yeah, because I don't want you to hear this going off so loud. Back in a second. My helper vanished.
What?
Said my helper has vanished.
Hello.
It's all mixed. We took it in turns mixing it. So Colin's after mixing a bit of it as well, aren't you?
Yeah.
Can you wash that as well? Just for when we got to do more. Right, so Kyle,
Yeah.
you're going to scoop it into the cases for me.
Scoop.
And then
What do you?
I'm holding this. So you use that and you push it off like that. Right, so now you only have 6 cupcakes, so bear that in mind. Put more than that into the case now, guys.
This.
Try not to get it on me. So scrape it off with the spoon. Bit more than that. That needs to go in.
This much?
Yeah.
That's no.
Very odd angle to be doing this. Now, hang on. There. Now, we're just scooping it all into the cases. You can put more than that in. So put the whole entire roll in. Oh. Made cupcakes and work yesterday. We didn't have any recipe at all. I think it was like a cup of flour, a cup of sugar, half a thing of butter, I think it was. No, a thing of butter. I think it was 2 eggs and a bit of water went into it. And I'm telling you, they were divine. They were so fluffy. So fluffy and soft.
I'm fluffy and soft.
Yes, you are. Very fluffy.
I'm not fluffy and soft. I regret saying that.
And then we went to make icing and we used 1 block of butter and a bit of, and we just kept adding in bits of icing sugar and it wouldn't come together, so I had to put a bit of milk in. It was great. They turned out divine though. They were so good.
I'm divine.
Yeah. And then once you get that one filled, you can kind of spread out the rest of it between them. Do you want me to finish them off or?
Yeah. You go. Can I eat it?
No. You can't eat the icing, the cake mix. Right, so if you want to make Paravita cakes, and you have this box mix, I suggest getting 2. You only just about get enough for 6 cakes out of it. And I'm like literally scraping the edges here. So these take, ooh, how long? About 12 minutes roughly. But we're going to keep an eye on them. But while these are cooking, I'm going to go off and make another batch of just normal cupcakes. I won't record that one though. I'll show them to you, but I won't record it. The bowl's floating. Right. Here's the cakes. They're going in. This is one of my Nana's tins actually that we have. She gave us some new cake tins because ours were destroyed. So these are going in now, so we'll see you when they're cooked. Right. Cakes are out of the oven.
Oven.
Come here.
No. No.
Cakes are out of the oven. Yeah. They're cooled. The icing's made. These two were playing video games. Video games?
Board games.
Board games.
But anyway.
I want to go play Warface, not a board game.
Right.
Sure.
Here's the cakes. We've got little packs of sweets to decorate them with.
Yeah.
And here's the icing. So you ready to decorate?
Right, go over.
Here's a spoon.
Spoon.
There's the cakes.
Don't feel well.
And there's the icing.
Feel well.
Decorate one or two of them,
I don't feel well.
don't you?
How?
Hold them up to the camera and just move them around. Never mind.
Go.
How?
Put it on. And then smooth it. You need another one to scoop it off with.
Scoop it off
And then
with.
spread it around.
Spread it around. Okay. Spread. Yeah, I don't like spreading this.
Can we just do it?
Yep.
Right. Colin's gone for the moment.
Bye bye. So, Rain.
One.
Rain's behind the door.
So we're gonna decorate them.
I think I'm in this one.
No, you're gonna put the sweeties on top.
Oh, I'm gonna put sweeties.
Harry
You put the sweeties on top.
Come on, go play Warfest.
I'm Harry Potter.
The icing didn't turn out the way it was supposed to. It's not like, yeah. Put more than two. Got 2 packets.
Yeah. I put them on after.
He just wants a packet to eat. Not right.
Mm-hmm. Hi.
Mr. Tall can't get in the camera.
Mr. Wilson.
I do have other cakes there. I made vanilla cakes. They're both vanilla flavoured, but I found a pack of sprinkles that I got not ages ago, but got a while ago, that we still hadn't used, still in date. So I was like, do you know what, I'll make some funfetti cakes. So I made 12 basic vanilla cakes and 12 funfetti ones for everyone else in the house, because these are Graham's 6 little cakes. Although my mammy likes Parma violets, so you're going to give her one to try?
Of course.
I hope so. This one's after getting messed up. Dang it!
Sorry, messy house.
Don't say that. Graham will lick the bowl after.
Yeah, yes I will.
The other cakes, if I decide to decorate them, you'll see them decorated in the vlog that we're recording today. January date night.
Mm-hmm. This is part of our date night.
Date night. I think we'll leave the rabbits till tomorrow to clean. Right, cakes are done. So, there they are. Little pair of violets. Actually, can I turn the light on? Did I see?
What is
There we go. So now you can see it's look really purple. So you can. So there it is there. 2 little pair of violets on top. Purple icing and a cake. Can we put another one on that one? He put a 3rd one on.
Just a quick minute before we finish up. Kyle! Come in, quick!
Get Kyle to say
So-
bye bye.
Say goodbye, and I can say his channel. Yeah?
Come,
So,
end of the clip.
Come on. Come on, you get in there.
Mm.
So guys, this has been Cooking with Kyle. We made
I know, that felt like it was sore.
we made Tinkerbell. Is it Tinkerbell? Yeah.
No.
The last one. We've only baked one swing.
It's not just basic vanilla cakes.
Oh,
No.
Tinkerbell vanilla
Whatever.
cakes, cupcakes.
Whatever they were.
Check out here. Over there to subscribe. Don't forget to check out Kyle's channel, which is,
Gamer links.
yeah, we'll put that in the description below. And we'll see what we get up to in the next one. We'll try to find another new box.
We might just do cake boxes on this.
Yeah,
They're easier.
yeah.
There's our icing to go eat.
Thanks.
So we'll see you in the vlog in the next videos that we do.
Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.